Cardia, Fáilte Reis Garas í Calnia. We're launching today our Clár an Uair for the Áras, which will be a wee bit different from our last few, in that the COVID restrictions have now relaxed somewhat, and we can now invite people back in to participate in person in some of our events. The events will take place here in Áras and another few venues across the west, so Bulagi Isteach, Shinagi Suas, agus Bunagi Salt.
We were delighted to launch our brand new James Connolly Heritage Trail this summer. Our augmented reality app takes you on a journey throughout Belfast, tracing Connolly's steps and exploring his legacy in our city. You can download the app for free now or visit our website for guided tours.
We're really excited about this year's Clár an Uair autumn programme here at Áras í Chonaive. We've arranged a wonderful events, including our debates and discussions programme, which begins on the 21st of September with the talk The Future of Unionism with Susan McKay and Sarah Creighton. As well as our debates and discussions, we also have 2 films shown with support from Film Hub NI, including the Irish premiere of Killing Kelly. Finally, we'll be finishing off this wonderful programme in partnership with Fhómhair at Cultural Macana Fiach with a concert from the one and only Bernadette Morris. It's been brilliant having people back here in Áras í Chonaive, and this year's programme reflects that. As well as having online and virtual events, we'll also have in-person events and some hybrid events where people will be able to join us both in person and online as well. For more information about all of these events and how to register, you can find them on our website, arasiconaive.com.